in my previous video, I talked about how to make money from selling books, right? So if you have something to say with your books, guess what? You have something to say. Put it on video, right? If you put it on video, you can start making money on YouTube. Aha, right? It's pretty simple, right? You just record yourself just like this, and right away you have a lot of content on YouTube. You can talk about whatever. At the moment of taping, I have something like 400 videos on YouTube, right? So it's kind of like I have a lot to say about business and marketing and stuff like that. So you should, put your content on video, right? If you have written content, you should pretty much almost guaranteed have video content. And then you can make money on YouTube in a couple of ways. Of course, there's the ads that appear before you see the videos. These ads are not very lucrative. They're okay, it's nice to make a little bit of money here and there, but these aren't lucrative ads. You're not going to become a millionaire with them. What you can do on YouTube is, it is one income stream. Not a good one, but it is one income stream. You can sell other products and you can build an audience. And that's really powerful because whatever you have in the future, you have a presence on YouTube, right? You have an audience on YouTube. And then whatever you sell, if you have a book coming out, or if you have a new website you made, or some new initiative you started, boom, you can sell it right from YouTube, right? Because you can make a video from YouTube. And that's really the power of YouTube, is it's a great platform where you're able to build an audience right on that platform. So that's actually why I love YouTube, is because I'm whenever people subscribe, I know it's it's my audience, and it's I'm making something for them. It's kind of exciting. And sometimes I can't even believe that so many people are following my channel and subscribing, right? Because at the moment of taping, I have something like 1,400 subscribers, and I'm like, well, these guys are just subscribing to hear me talk, but somehow they are. And you too should build an audience, and there's two ways that you can make money, right? It's the ads, but also it's your audience. They like your content, and every once in a while, because they appreciate your content, you can sell something to them, and they wouldn't mind too much, because it's you're giving a lot of content for free. They already like your stuff. They feel like they know you. They got to know you from the videos a little bit. They trust you, and then they probably will be more accepting to whatever you build, because they already know what kind of stuff you. If they follow you already, they probably think you're putting out good material, and so then they probably will be more likely to be interested in what other products you're working on.